तेज आना है, रफ्तार और तेज आइए। ओके।
No. Yes, sometimes it used to happen. So, whoever was won the war, he used to assume that victory was because of that god. Yes. If the king is devotee of Shiva, then he used to make one temple dedicated to Shiva.
Okay.
So, this way these temples were made. But when two kings from the same religion, when they used to fight, then they not used to destroy their monuments. But if any other religion king used to invade in this area, then they used to damage. They try to destroy. So you will see some damage. This damage is of invasion time. For example, in 11th century, Mahmud Ghaznavi invaded. And at that time there was one king in this area and his name was Vidyadhar. He fought with Mahmud Ghaznavi. And Vidyadhar won the war. So Vidyadhar was devotee of Shiva. He got one temple built dedicated to Shiva, that one. No, this first one. So this way they used to make temples. And you will also see damage. Okay, this damage is of invasion time. After 15th century, this area was won by Mughals.
Okay, yes.
So these Chandela kings had to go in other states of India. They started living in other states of India. Follower also went from here. Nobody was here. In monsoon season it rained, plants grew. Then it became a forest. So it was a dense forest. And these temples were in forest near about 300 years. Then in 19th century there was British administration. And at that time there was one British officer whose name was T.S. Bird. He was making the map of this part of India. So during his survey he saw these temples we are going to see. So we can say that these temples were rediscovered by Captain T.S. Bird in 19th century.
19th century.
Then many historians came here, they wrote different books, then this place became highlighted in entire world. First time in 1904, Archaeological Department gave protection to these temples. In 1954, Indian ASI took direct charge of these temples. Then in 1986, these temples were recognized as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So we are at the World Heritage Site, and these temples, earlier there were 85 temples, but presently 25 are seen. But in 25, 18 or 19 temples was seen. Other temples are in bad condition. For example, of one temple only the main icon of the sanctum is seen in this area in forest. So that statue was of Hanumana. So there was Hanumana temple.
Where is that?
When you go to other group, on the way it is found. But only the main icon is there. Rest is
That
destroyed.
is also built by Chandela.
Yes.
Hanuman also.
Yes.
Ah,
And they got a statue of Bhairava also. God Bhairav. So there was a Bhairav temple. So this way they have counted. But the temples which are worth seeing are near about 19 temples are in Khajuraho which are worth seeing. Okay. And 11 temples are here, and other temples you are going to see in other parts, outside. Okay. So here you are going to see temple in better condition, and all these temples are of Nagar style. How you will recognize this style? If you see the temple from one side, you see this architecture like a stair. This is called Nagar style. Okay?
no platform, no roof.
You will see every temple on platform, and platform is rectangular. On the platform you will see a temple. Okay, but from the far distance the architecture looks like a stair, like that. Every temple you can see is of Naga style. Later you are going to see some other temple in other parts, so you will not see this architecture because those temples are damaged, so some parts are damaged, so architecture is not looking like great peaks of tower. But keep in mind, originally every temple was in that style. And what happens, what is in these temples? In the sanctum, there is one statue of any god or goddess in the sanctum.
Oh,
And around the temple wall, there is depiction of all the three worlds, heaven world, mortal world, and nether world or underworld. How you recognize heaven world? If you see in any image 4 hands or more than 4 hands, then say that representation is taken from heaven world. In these images, you will see images of gods and goddesses. We are in mortal world, we have 2 hands. So if you see an image with 2 hands, then that is mortal world. In heaven world, you will see at least 4 hands or more than 4 hands, okay? And in nether world or underworld, you will see a goddess with snake on the head.
okay.
We see Naga goddess, Nag Kanya, Vish Kanya. That representation is taken from nether world. So this way you can recognize all the 3 worlds in these temples. But keep in mind, sorry, heaven world and nether world, these are imaginary, these are according to books.
Imaginary. Okay.
Yes. But mortal world is real. This is totally real. Whatever was seen in the society here around, this is depicted here in temple wall. So through mortal world, you are going to understand culture of that time, how we were, what type of clothes we used to use, what type of jewelry we used to use, and what used to happen is represented here. So daily life is seen through mortal world. So you are going to see many images here which look normal because these type of images we see in our daily activity. But some special images you are going to see, those are called erotic images or erotic figure. So now there is question why erotic images are seen in these temple walls.
On every temple?
Yes,
On every.
yes. But these 2 temples have many images because these are in better condition and the other temple are destroyed. So other temple has those type of images, but few images are there. So now there is question why erotic images are seen in these temple walls. Time there was the people were living here and this place was center of Kama Sutra. So Kama Sutra images are seen. This is one opinion. Another opinion is that at that time there was Jain influence.
Jain influence.
Yes, because of Jain religion, people were going to the forest for meditation and the population was decreasing. So the concerning king became worried about the population and he took meeting with priests. And in the meeting it was decided why we not make erotic figure at the place where they go. They would be going there, they would be looking, possibly population would be increased. This is another opinion, but
It's not exact
it's not
depiction.
correct. This is another opinion, okay? Third opinion is different, fourth one is different, fifth one is different. But when a study was done, when all inscriptions were decoded, then it was found that main reason was that at that time there was influence of Tantra. Do you know about Tantra?
No.
Keep in mind, Tantra is a secret way of achieving moksha, secret way of achieving nirvana, secret way of achieving enlightenment. And how enlightenment is possible? In Hindu religion there are 3 ways, but those are difficult. They developed one shortcut way which was called Tantric way. Okay? But different religions have different ways. But the basic funda of enlightenment is that we activate Kundalini, a hidden part close to the genital organ. Another name of Kundalini is Sakti. Sakti is wife of Shiva, and Shiva lies here in the crown chakra. If you activate Kundalini and if you try to force it in upper direction up to the crown chakra, then the person is enlightened. This is called moksha or nirvana. So it means we are to activate Kundalini, and there are many ways of activating Kundalini. Kundalini is activated by dance, Kundalini is activating by yoga, Kundalini is activating by meditation, Kundalini is activated by austerity. There are many ways. And Kundalini is also activated through sexual union.
Sexual also.
Yes, Kundalini, you can activate Kundalini through sex also. So the people who were activating Kundalini through sex or through some hope, they were called Tantric people. And these type of people were living in Kalinjar. Kalinjar is a place which is 110 kilometers from here. That was capital of these Chandela kings. So
Kalinjar.
Kalinjar. Okay, so that was center of Tantric people.
Oh,
Okay, and at that time 80% people were follower of Tantra. In 20% people, there were Jain people who used to activate Kundalini through meditation. Okay, so we can say the majority of people was follower of Tantra. So those people used to come here. They used to enter in this tantric atmosphere. This is tantric atmosphere, and tantric atmosphere is such an atmosphere which makes us sensuous. Then Kundalini starts activating. When the Kundalini was activated, nearby place for them was place of austerity, place of rituals. That is why erotic images are seen. Okay, this is the main important thing. Right. And if you study these tantric books, then you will find without Kama Sutra, Tantra is not possible. So you are also going to see Kama Sutra images. These Kama Sutra and tantric images are erotic images in these temple walls. So how you will differentiate these images? So the carver also kept in mind how you will differentiate. When these carver were carving close to the Ken River, there were 16,000 people who were carving. So in their mind there was one concept that in Tantra most of the rituals are difficult.
they are also Tantra people.
Yes, 80% people were following Tantra. Okay, only few
At that time, Tantra was nothing. Tantra means nothing but Hinduism,
Yes, you can see it was like a religion.
religion.
Yes,
Remaining 20% from Jainism.
Jain people and people from other religions also. Okay? So they, when they were carving, they thought like this, that in Tantra, most of the rituals are difficult, which are never possible by the smallest unit of Tantra. The smallest unit of Tantra is one couple. One couple, one man, one woman. So if you see in any image, more people than one couple doing sexual union, that is tantric activity. More people than one couple. Maybe 2 women, 1 man. Maybe 3 women, 1 man. Maybe 1 man, maybe 3 men, 3 women. I mean to say, if you see more people than one couple, okay, doing sexual union, then that is tantric.
Same place.
Yes, then that is tantric activity. So if one couple is doing sexual union, say Kama Sutra image. If multiple people are doing sexual union, say tantric image. Okay, this way you can differentiate these images. But keep in mind, Kama Sutra is just for pleasure or for procreation, and Tantra is a way of achieving some magical power, or is a way of achieving nirvana. This way you can differentiate. Okay? Okay, so next what we are going to see, we are going to see these temples. Yeah. Okay, during the day. And another is there is Chamunda King. This was again divine figure. Look at the hands. By hands you can recognize divine figure. 7 into 2, there were 14 hands. Scorpion is there.
Okay.
This is Chamunda King. Okay? And look at these other images. From all the 3 worlds, you are looking the images. Look, you come to this point, I show you how you recognize all the 3 worlds. There is no light, but you see there are these images with 4 hands. This is heaven world, okay?
4 hands, yes.
4 hands. This is heaven world. And look at this side, 2 hands images are there. This is mortal world,
Okay.
okay? Daily activity.
Right side.
Yes, left and right side, both sides is mortal world, okay? In the corner you see this Naga goddess. There is a snake on the head. In the corner, come to this point. Here,
Oh,
in this corner.
snake on the head.
Yes, this is neither world or underworld. Okay? So, there is representation of all the three words in any temple. Right? And at that time there was influence of Tantra. So you are also going to see tantric images. For example, if you come little with that side, then we will see. First you take these photographs. Two people, then one couple doing sexual, and these are tantric activity.
Where?
In the center.
Okay,
you are
okay,
looking.
okay.
The central image of the lower line, the central image of the middle line, and the central image of upper line. These are tantric images. This is not for,
only three.
yes.
Three stores.
Yes. This is not for pleasure. This is not for procreation. This is just for activating our chakras from body.
Okay.
At that time, there was a sect of people who used to believe in these rituals. That is why you are looking these type of images.
But that is also one type of exercise.
No, you cannot say exercise. These are rituals. Just
Rituals.
For, rituals. Yeah, for activating our chakras. In our body, there are seven chakras important.
Okay.
So to activate chakras, they used to do like this. At that time, they used to do Anulom and Vilom. Look at the woman is doing Anulom here. Anulom. This is
Where?
Here is
Ah,
Anulom
okay, okay.
and above is Vilom.
Okay, yes.
So they used to do Anulom and Vilom.
Analom.
Central image are divine figure actually. There are many divine figures. Where?
Which one?
Central one. This is a divine figure actually. Okay, you look at the hands.
Four hands.
Yes, three hands you are looking. One is broken.
Broken, yes.
Yes. So four it means that this is a divine figure.
Divine.
Image of God.
Yes.
Okay. If you see four hands or more than four, they say God or Goddess.
Yes.
Right? From this point.
एक minute.
Yes.
Please tell again.
This is the tallest and largest temple of Khajuraho. Its height from this point up to top is 30.04 meters. We can say near about 100 feet.
100 feet.
Yes, near about 100 feet. Okay. And the height of the platform is separate. Okay.
Oh.
I am talking about from this
From
point.
here?
Yes.
From platform.
Yes, up to top. So there are many images on the main wall from all the three worlds. Sometimes when we go in pond or in river for taking walk, while
We thought that was n number of those kind of
images.
images are there.
Yes.
But very less.
I
No,
will
we
show
are
you
going
some
to.
other-
We are
Don't
going
worry,
to
Abhi.
see.
No.
In main temple, you
Just
will see-
when we are studying school level
yeah.
and
You are going to see main temple in main temple. Later we are
He is
going to
asking
also,
more
okay?
number of.
Yeah. Yes, you see, I am showing you some images. Look at that image of a woman. What she is doing. This is again self-explanatory.
okay.
Have you seen it?
She is
Excited. Not
excited. Okay.
okay. Just above in the middle, see. Look at what she is doing. Doing massage.
Yeah.
Self massage.
Yes. And just above in this image in upper row, similar image is there. Have you seen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, she is doing massage.
Same.
Right?
Almost both are same.
And look at these images from here. You come to this point. You have to come to this point. See this image. Look at this image of a woman. Have you seen?
Okay.
Then see the image just above in middle. Have you seen?
Yes.
Yes.
Then another image just above.
Upper.
Look at from bottom to top these three images. You will feel one body part is increasing.
Uh-huh.
You seen or not?
Yes.
Have you
Increase.
seen?
Increase.
So sometimes, yeah.
Hormonal problem.
Yeah. You can say like this. Have you seen or not?
No. Just.
Look at these three images. I am going to show you there.
Please take.
See the central image of the lower line
Central image of the lower line.
and the central image of the middle line
Okay.
and the central image of upper line.
Okay.
These are tantric activities. And there is also meaning of color. By color, artists want to say something to you. The central image of the middle row is of the time when they started ritual.
Rituals.
And the central image of the middle row is of the time when they were close to climax. And the central image of the top row when they were satisfied. This is Kama Sutra actually.
Bagi style.
Okay? And this is also Kama Sutra activity. That one is Tantric activity.
Tantric activity. Rituals.
And this is embracing or alingan, only alingan.
Only Alingan.
Okay, this one. This one is also alingan or embracing.
Okay.
This is Kama Sutra activity. Here are Tantric activity.
Tantric activity.
This is the difference. Okay? But you are going to confuse in these images.
Yes, yes.
Because while recognizing images of man and woman, because in Chandira period, every man and woman, they used to have long hair. And they used to tie hair like, this was the hair. For example, look at this. Here is couple. But if you see this image from the far distance, those look women. But
Two are women. We are imagining.
these look like two women, but if you go close, you find left side is man, right side is woman.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so you are going to confuse. See attentively these images.
Oh,
Otherwise, you would be confused.
okay.
Do photography of your choice, then I will take you to other one.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Anna Tiyan.
From bottom to top.
Okay.
So I think no need to explain. You are looking whatever is happening. They need explanation or not? These are daily life activity. Some women. No. Corner. Look at this woman.
Oh,
And then just have her in the middle row.
monkey.
No.
Middle.
And then at the top.
Oh,
Look at
see.
what they are doing. You can see what is happening.
No, upper one and lower one you can.
She is excited,
Okay.
not excited.
Okay.
Excited.
What she is doing? In middle one, she is on some undressing. Have you seen? In upper line, again see what is happening. Some things you can understand. These are self-explanatory, okay?
Okay.
हाँ जी साइट सीइंग हम करा रहे हैं वेस्टर्न ग्रुप में है, अभी टाइम लगेगा. They are doing alingan, okay?
Alingan.
Or embracing.
Embracing.
Here is Kama Sutra activity.
Okay.
And this is self-explanatory what they were doing.
Self.
Yes, they were talking. Look at that. Okay. Some things are you can understand.
Okay.
And this is tantric activity.
Tantric activity.
Okay. And then there are many other things. Look at this couple.
Okay.
This image is of Brahmani.
Brahmani.
Yes,
Okay.
what is broken.
Hello?
Now I request to you this temple. Yeah, that's right. Linga looks like Shiva Linga of Amarnath. Okay. So I request you take your shoes off somewhere on that point. Go inside, have vision and come back. Then I will take you to other points. Okay. If you have any question, I will. It was rediscovered by Captain T.S. Bird. At that time there was another dynasty, Bundela. Bundela dynasty people, they were making palace. So this was done by Bundela kings.
Oh,
Sir, I am telling you.
bricks.
Bundela Aya. So this was done by them, by Bundela kings, because they were
They are
not
restored.
having carpet. Because they were religious people.
Yes, yes.
So they thought the temples are broken. So let them do something. They did. They helped.
Yes.
So it was done by other dynasty, Bundelas.
Bundela.
Look at this temple was also broken during invasions. So they restored by brick, lime, mortar, and cement. This was also done by Bundela kings.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Which
Inis,
This one,
Look
front
at that
one.
part.
Okay. All those upper portion is.
Yes,
filled
upper
with,
portion.
brick.
Many places were destroyed, broken.
Yes, yes.
So they restored it. Okay. And in the first part also there was brick, lime, mortar, and cement. But ESI put that one. ESI is putting a stone. He will remove this stone.
Yes.
Now ESI is doing like that.
Who?
ESI, Archaeological Survey.
Yes, okay.
But not came like this.
No, actually it was not like this. But what happened, other dynasty people, these were in bad condition. Water was going inside. So they thought they should do like this.
Renovated.
Yes. But now these are under archaeological department. So that is maintaining like this.
They have to protect now.
Yeah. So they will remove this stone, this brick, lime, mortar, and cement, and they will put stone like that
Okay,
here.
okay.
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 So-
Archaeological department is trying to restore
Yes. As it was original.
whatever was the built by Bundela is going to replaced with Chandela style.
Right. Now you understand.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. And in Chandela period, this temple was dedicated to Vishnu. Okay.
Dedicated to Vishnu.
Yes.
Okay.
But during invasions, the main icon was broken.
Abba.
Then other dynasty came. He saw that the image is broken.
Oh.
So Bundela dynasty king, they went to one place, Maniagar, where there were carvers. So they got one statue built of Jagdamba because they was devotee of Jagdamba. So they put Jagdamba statue in this temple. So this is called Jagdamba temple now.
Instead of Vishnu,
Yes, only
they replaced with Jagadamba.
right. So now this is called Jagdamba temple. But the statue was put in 19th century, and 19th century there were no invasions, so image
Yes.
is not broken.
Yes.
So this is worship is held during Navdurga. You understand? Okay. In Navdurga, yeah, worship is held. So in 1 year, 18 days it remain open. Now it is closed, but you have vision. You just go inside, use torch of mobile, then you will have vision of Jagdamba. Okay.
Okay.
Please take your shoes off, go inside, have vision, and come back.
Thank you.
All of you, please tell me. It is broken, but you are finding symbols.
Yeah, symbols are there.
The god is having trident. The god is having serpent. There are three symbols.
Shiva.
Shiva. You can say Shiva. The trident is there. That is trident, and serpent is there.
Yes.
Say Shiva and Parvati. Above, who is above?
Vishnu.
Right. Because we are looking cosmic.
Classical.
And this is Kuber and Ishan. Okay, we are not going in detail. Look at the woman. One hand is at the chin as if she has got a sad letter. So there were expressions and effects on their faces earlier when these temples were made. But because of invasions, some damage was done by the people, some because of nature, and some while cleaning these images.
Yes, yes.
So you are looking. So just and
Why
look at-
she is in sad position?
because here our daily life is depicted. Somewhere women are seen like this. So carvers saw this scene and they have carved.
Okay.
Somewhere they saw Shiva worship. So they have carved Shiva worship scene. Somewhere they saw a woman is bathing. So they made a statue, a woman bathing. So you will see many daily activities here. Okay, look at here Kama Sutra, somewhere loving couples are there, amorous couples. In upper line, those are self-explanatory. You can see what they are doing. Now I am going to. Yeah.
Moon of the Chandela dynasty is head of the
Lion.
No.
Everywhere is different.
No. Yes, this is different, but according to the last head it changed. You will
Okay.
see this animal with different faces. Face of elephant, face of lion, face of tiger, face of wild boar, face of parrot, face of any head maybe. Okay, but don't. So keep in mind.
All
this
are
is
same.
individual.
There is all are not same.
All are not same. Those are different.
Okay.
But it will look like a dragon.
Yeah,
Okay.
looks like a dragon.
Now
Only head is
only head is changed.
remaining
Remaining
body and
same.
remaining parts are
You will see two people. One is close to the mouth, another fighting. It would be like this. Sometimes he has eaten. That animal has eaten
Yes,
that man.
yes.
Somewhere is going to eat.
Yes.
It is like that. Now please come out of tree. All of you, please come to this point. So you come. She's having mirror close to the breast, and she's looking her face into mirror, and then
Applying sindoor.
applying sindoor. Now my question is, what expression you are looking on her face? Tell me. Expression words. From the same point where you are. Please do not-
Expression, no?
Yes. Now you are.
She's closing her eyes.
Pardon?
She's closing her eyes, and with
Yes.
all that
Yes.
reverence.
But the expression on her face, I want to know.
That's what.
Expression is
Serene.
Shrin, according to you?
She's into it like that. While
But
applying
now-
sindoor,
Yeah.
she's so engrossed, maybe praying for her husband.
Yeah. And so according to you, you tell me. You have to tell whatever you are looking, you just tell.
At least
but not happy.
Not happy. And so according to you? No, you have to tell. You just tell me. Express in words.
What you are imagining?
tell something.
Sir, you are looking but you are not telling. You are looking but you are not
many thoughts
Many
in my
doubts.
mind.
Smiling.
smiling. Little smile is there. Okay? Now, okay. All of you. Now, all of you, please come on this point and see the same image and tell me what expression. Sir, from here, not from there. One people may come here, one backside, one here, but some here. What expression now you see? You tell me. All of you tell.
She's closing her eyes.
Closing, but expression from little smile and from here.
That side it was smile.
Smile.
This side she is looking